Hi guys, welcome back to DDML. Today we are doing the 2 drip challenge slime edition, and today I'm with my sister
Natalie.
And so let's get started. So
we
already put in 2 drips of glue, so that's what it looks like.
And we have
and now we're going to 1, 2, okay.
I'm gonna add some pink and blue. Can I have the blue?
Oh yeah.
That right.
Mine's turning like a violet. Mine is violet, if you can tell.
Looks
It looks kind of, yeah. It's like a violet mine.
And this is a light blue. Okay.
Now
we are going to put Stay Flow.
Can I put in some of my glitter?
Yeah, and we could put 2
little shakes.
No. 2
pieces?
Ready? Get ready for this.
2 capfuls.
2 capfuls of glitter.
Okay.
If you want glitter. If you don't want glitter, you don't have to.
Can I use some purple and blue? Like a cap of purple?
I don't have purple.
Oh, did she use it all?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
So 2 blue.
Can I only do, well, do I have to do 2? Yeah, it's 2 drip. Oh, yeah. Spilling on me. Well, that's a lot of glitter. It's stuck in the cap.
That's okay. It'll come out.
Are you adding any? Wow, that is a lot of glitter for 2 drips. I usually make blue with blue glitter. I don't know what's up with me.
Okay.
I always make
Now
like this.
we are going to add. We'll show the camera.
What?
Show the camera.
Oh, look how glittery that is.
It definitely made a difference. Okay, so now 2 drips of Stay
Flow. That's gonna be hard.
Here, you want
You do you first.
me first? Okay.
No.
1. And then I'm going to start mixing mine, and then I'll add the second one in. Oh
I'm gonna
crap,
wait
I
until
don't think
we're
I'm
done.
going to need the second one.
Really? Is this the glue or the Stay Flow pot?
That's the glue, but it's okay.
That's about.
So we did 1 capful so far.
Yeah, I haven't mixed mine in. So that's my 1 capful.
Actually, I think it's going to be good because right now mine is sticky.
Yeah, I like to deal with my sticks. Look, mine's already ready.
That's not good because we have to add 1 more.
What do we have to? No! Do we have to?
Yeah, it's the 2 drip challenge.
Mine is actually turning really sticky. I think it does need that last cap. Look. It was good.
Okay.
My
now,
hands.
Why? That's one.
Can you do one for me?
Yep.
Because my hands are. Wow!
Oops. I spilled a little. That's okay. Okay.
Please. Sorry. I'm not going to take mine out right yet. Yeah, it's turning like plasticky.
Actually, I think mine's going to be good.
Same. Mine's like a little overactivated.
Mine's not.
No kidding. Yeah, mine's like plastic. It feels like plastic.
It doesn't look bad.
I feel like it's too overactivated. Yours is a nice color. Mine's done. It's just not stretchy.
Yours is stretching.
A little bit.
Yeah, I guess so.
Because, I mean, it could stretch to here, but then it, like, rips.
Yeah, mine's kind of not so stretchy.
Can I feel it? You've got a good texture.
And there's more slime in here.
I'm not grabbing anything of that. That's like plastic. You can't even poke mine. Well, a little bit. You could barely hear it though. Try and poke yours. I feel like you won. Like already. Are we even adding anything else in?
No.
Are we gonna do a second round?
No. So, these are our slimes.
How did you do that? I can't do that. Here, let me
I
try it
think
again.
mine got a little bit of pink dye in it because of my hands from
We were
this
making
morning.
other slimes, yeah.
So,
I actually think mine did okay. I mean, it doesn't matter. It made slime. It made slime.
yeah,
I'll probably add
mine-
some ingredients to make it better, though.
Yeah, I'll probably add some more.
Like lotion. I'd
Glue.
probably add like lotion or glue.
Yeah, but so this was our slime. So here's mine.
So I guess we did some good.
Doing Insta swirl.
I can't
Let's
do
see if
it
you could do
in.
an- Oh, so there's mine.
It might take a little.
So whose is better? Comment down below.
There's slime in my hair.
Oh my gosh. So today we will show you our slimes we made today. So
We only made 2.
we made 2 slimes. So
You go first. You go first.
they're both identical, but I made this unicorn slime, and I made this other unicorn slime.
Show the like the top or by the
Okay.
cap.
Yeah, this is cool slime. See?
And I made Nutella slime. And I also made this one. I don't really want to touch it because I don't want to mix it in. I mean, it's pretty cool. I was trying to make it like galaxy slime, but the blue didn't come out as much as I wanted it to.
But so this was today's video. So comment.
Actually, we made 3 slimes.
Yeah. Comment down below whose slime is better, Natalie's or Mel's. So that's it for today. So see us next time. Bye.
Bye.